being called an early bird or a night owl, whether you love waking up at the crack of dawn or you come alive after sunset, it's all thanks to your sleep chronotype. Your natural tendency to feel awake, focused, or sleepy at certain times of the day and night is called a chronotype. Think of it like your body's building clock with two automatic alarms, one for wake-up time and one for bedtime. It's based on your genetics. That's why we don't all wake up, get hungry, feel focused, or fall asleep at the same time. But why should you even care about your chronotype? Because when you work with your body's rhythm instead of against it, everything gets easier. Better sleep, more energy, improved mood, and higher productivity. Basically, you can plan your day around your own natural energy peaks. Let's break down the 4 main chronotypes. Number 1, bear. This is the most common chronotype. About 55% of people are bears. Bears tend to follow the sun, wake up around sunrise, and sleep around sunset. They do great with a regular 9 to 5 schedule. Their peak energy is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., but they have still got enough left in the tank to enjoy some fun in the evening. Number 2, lion. Around 15% of people fall into the lion category. Lions are true early birds. They naturally wake up around 5 a.m. and feel most productive before noon. They love tackling their to-do lists first thing in the morning, but their energy drops off early. Lions usually wind down by 8 p.m. and are asleep before 10 p.m., which means late night plans aren't really their thing. Number 3, wolf. Wolves are classic night owls, also about 15% of the population. They naturally wake up late, even around 11 a.m., and usually need a couple hours just to boot up. Their energy spikes in late afternoon or even around 10 p.m., when most people are already winding down. Wolves often don't go to bed until midnight or later. Number 4, dolphin. Only 10% of people are dolphins, and this is the trickiest chronotype of them all. Why dolphin? Because real dolphins sleep with 1/2 of their brain awake, and that's kind of what being a human dolphin feels like. Dolphins are light sleepers and super sensitive to noise and light. They struggle to fall asleep and often wake up in the middle of the night. Most dolphins fall asleep around midnight, but they are up again by 6 or 7 a.m., even if they are still tired. Their best productivity window is usually 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Here is a bonus fact for you. Are chronotype and circadian rhythm the same thing? Not quite, but they are closely related. Circadian rhythm is your body's natural 24-hour clock. It controls when you feel awake or sleepy, get hungry, your hormone levels, body temperature, and more. It's guided by your master clock, which is a tiny part of your brain that keeps everything in sync, especially with light and darkness. Circadian rhythm can actually adapt. For example, if you work night shifts, with some effort, your body can adjust to sleeping during the day. But your chronotype is your personal version of that rhythm, genetically programmed and harder to change. It can shift a bit as you age, because teens tend to be night owls and older adults become more morning types, but you can't fully change what you're wired for. Wanna know your chronotype? Take the free test. It only takes a couple minutes. I will drop the link in the comments. I have taken the test already, and I'm a lion. I love mornings and feel super productive early in the day, but evenings are very tough. Staying up till midnight on New Year's Eve is a terrible struggle, and I'm definitely the one yawning at 9 p.m. at parties. Wanna fall asleep faster and wake up with more energy? Check out this video with 5 life hacks for better sleep. Thanks for watching and see you next time.